Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you more Easter items for my tier tray. These actually might be my favorite because they're so tiny. What you're going to need from the Dollar Tree is one of the small Christmas tree truck ornaments, some carrot felt stickers, some reindeer moss, Jenga blocks, the tiny bunny erasers. I had a teeny tiny little terracotta pot that I bought some time ago, but you can also use the shot glass and you can just paint it whatever color you like, something a little more Eastery. A cotton ball and a pom-pom. One of these ceramic paint it bunnies. Some of the jot sticker pearly things. The first thing I did was I took one carrot and I cut it up to make myself some teeny tiny carrots because I have a teeny tiny project. Rather than lay my green on top of the carrot, I laid it against it and then used some hot glue in the back to reinforce it to stay together. Then I dismantled my Christmas tree truck ornament and I sanded it down to get all the glitter off. And then I painted it in the agave chalk paint. You'll need one Jenga block, and you can also paint that. I actually had a partial Jenga block that I had cut down, so that's what I'm using, but a full Jenga block will work. Then with some cardstock, I traced out the wheel wells and the truck bed. And then I glued all my paper pieces down onto my truck when the paint was dry, of course. I used a hole punch for the tire, and I just used the end of an eraser to do the hubcap in the agave paint. Once my whole truck was papered, I added my Jenga block to the back so that it would stand on its own. And then I hot glued my bunny into the bed of the truck. I also made an extra teeny tiny, even tinier carrot for him to hold. And then I added my 3 carrots to the back of the truck, and he was done. He's just so stinking cute. Next, we're going to make the bunny butt pot. So I took half a scrap piece of paper and I I ripped it into 3 sections, and I crumpled them up into balls and I placed them inside my little terracotta pot. The reason I did it as 3 separate pieces is because I wanted to be able to hot glue my 3 felt carrot stickers into different sections. So they're just hot glued right to the paper. Next, I added some reindeer moss into the pot to cover the paper. Next, I took a pom-pom, and I actually cut the pom-pom down because I needed to make a bunny tail to fit on the cotton ball, Dollar Tree cotton ball. That's the actual bunny butt. I glued the bunny butt into the mini pot, and then I glued the newly made bunny tail onto the bunny butt. And then I found a piece of white fun foam, and I just by hand just cut out 2 little things that look like little feet. And then for pink pads, I just used some pink liquid pearls, and I just dotted my little paws so that they look like the bottoms of their feet, and I glued them to the bunny butt. And that was done. Again, so stinking cute because it's so teeny tiny. Now the next one I would probably classify as a fail if you look at it on the video. I took the white ceramic bunny that you paint, and with hot glue I covered the entire bunny. The trick to covering it was add some, pat it down, trim it, add some more, cut it, pat it down, trim it, until you actually look like you have the bunny. And then I wanted to add some eyes, so I didn't have any black pearl sticker thingies, but I did have a black magic marker, so I colored in 2, and then I glued it onto my bunny. And like I said, it really does look cuter in person. And then because I had a little bit more room on my tier tray, I just took a 4-inch mini clear bowl that I already had a package of, put in 2 packages of the twine carrots and wrapped it with some ribbon, and ta-da! Here it all is on my tier tray. I'm probably going to still rearrange it a couple of times, but I'm really happy with the way it's coming out. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't subscribing, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.